everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I am here with a haul video. I know, these do not happen very often at all, but I did get some things and I wanted to share with you what I got. Like, this is pretty much all I've purchased for the entire year, which is not too bad. A couple of these things I will have purchased more than once, but I just didn't update you guys on because you know it's one of those things I just purchase all the time. For example, we'll get these out of the way. These are my e.l.f. cleansing cloths. You guys know I buy these all the time. I got 2 more recently when e.l.f. was doing a sale at CVS where you like bought a certain amount and you got a certain amount back. Also in that, to reach that level, I got 3 of the natural brown brow pencils. So I have backups of these. I currently am using a brow pencil and that's my last brow product. So I got 3 of these and then together I think that all made like $15 and then I got $5 back from CVS. So I got a whole bunch of that stuff. And those are just staples that I use, so why not go ahead and purchase them? Then I have one that I did not purchase, but my sister had a ton. She had like a whole bag of these NYX Dewy Setting Sprays, and she was like, I am not going to ever use all of these. Do you want one? And I was like, yes, I do. So I took one of these, so I have a backup. I have an order that I placed for some eyeshadows. And I have not bought single eyeshadows in a very, very long time. And then I picked these up. These are a combination of some ColourPop and some Coastal Scents. There is another right here in Glass Bowl. So I will tell you what all of these names are. I did haul these on Instagram, which is where I do the majority of my hauls. Like everything that you see here has already been hauled on Instagram because that's just where I do my hauls now lately. Light Taupe by Coastal Scents. Kokomo Cafe by Coastal Scents. I'm not swatching everything, guys. I'm sorry. I know I'm shitty. Olive Wood by Coastal Scents. Very, very pretty khaki green. And then this one that I'm trying to hit pan on, which is Dark Golden Olive by Coastal Scents. Also very, very pretty. We have Glass Bowl by ColourPop, which you guys know I love. I have used that in a couple of tutorials. I have Ready or Yacht, and this one is a pressed ColourPop shadow. This is Labyrinth by ColourPop, and you guys know I had to have it because Labyrinth is like my favorite movie. My calendar's over here and I love it. This one is Tuscany, and this one is by, no, this is Petal Peach. Jesus, by Coastal Scents. This freaking one is actually Tuscany. This is Tuscany by Coastal Scents, which is another one I'm trying to hit pan on. And then up in this quad, we have Bronze Peach by Coastal Scents, Wild Raisin by Coastal Scents. Ooh, I just put my nail on that. Maroon Berry by Coastal Scents, and Burnt Umber by Coastal Scents. Not bad. Those are all of my new shadows. I have them in their own little palette that goes down to my little palette area. I actually have my Anastasia Banana Setting Powder in there too because I didn't have a place for her. Tuscany goes back in here because I'm trying to hit pan on that. So this is like my everyday palette. And this Dark Olive goes over here. And these are the ones that I use and reach for the most. They're all Makeup Geek except for the 2 that I just put in there. And then I have this little tiny palette with shadows that I'm trying to hit pan on and finish up. And that's where Glass Bowl goes because these 3 shadows together look great. That's actually what's on my eyes today. And yeah, so put all of that back away where it went. Then I also picked up at the drugstore the Wet n Wild. This is the dupe for the Anastasia Renaissance palette, and I don't have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. This one is the Rosé in the Air. And I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't swatched it. I haven't used it yet, but I need to. So I'm actually going to pull this out and let this sit somewhere where I see it more often because I am very excited to use those. I think they'll be great for spring and summer. And I'm very excited to see how they do and whether or not I like those kinds of shades because, again, I don't want to pay for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance when this one will work. And then I placed a Sephora order, which is like my first Sephora order of the entire year. I think I had a gift card, so it was like a couple... I think it was like $30. Oh, also at Ulta, I picked up this Stila Huge Mascara. It's what I have on my lashes today. I've had this open since 3/18. Today is the 30th and it already is flaking underneath my eyes when I put it on. Why do they do that to me, guys? Like, I'll put it on and it's not even like the second layer that flakes off. Sometimes it's the first layer. I get these giant flakes of mascara underneath my eyes when I put it on. I don't understand it, but that's a thing that happens. So I picked that up and actually this up at Ulta. And I also at the same time picked up this, which everybody has been talking about. This is the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow. This one is in Stars and Stories. And on my Instagram, people have been asking, in my booktube channel videos, people have been asking what the shimmer on my lid is. And it's always this. This is like all I want to use anymore. So my Ulta order, I used my Ulta points and I got the mascara, this, and this eyeshadow all for $2. And I love it. It's so, so pretty. It's like the most gorgeous shimmer, and it doesn't crease, it doesn't crack, it wears beautifully. And it was $4.79 and this was $4.79. So I mean, I don't think you can beat it. It's definitely so much more affordable than the Stila ones, and I thought it did a great, great job. I've been loving using it. Then we're gonna get into my Sephora haul. First up, I got some samples. I got the Dior Forever Undercover foundations. So I got these little 2 samples. I'll use those at some point. I also got a Giorgio Armani sheer fluid sheer. I think this is actually a primer, I'm not sure. I got a Too Faced glitter glue sample. And then this one was like one of those free codes that you could use. And I got a free Shameless 24-hour foundation, broad spectrum SPF 20. Only came in this one shade, which is medium. This might be a summer shade for me. It's definitely not a shade for me yet. And I've heard really crappy things about it. So I don't have high hopes, but we'll see. But I got that as just like one of those promo codes you put in and got it for free. And then, and don't ask me why, guys. Like, honestly, don't, because I don't need this. I did a $100 perk for an Urban Decay primer potion. I have so many primers, but I know it's a good primer, so I picked it up. And at some point, I will use that. So this might end up a gift or something. Who knows? Then I picked up a set of the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick sets. I love matte lipstick. You guys know I do. But I wanted to try to see how I liked a matte formula that was like in an actual bullet as opposed to like a liquid lipstick, because I think they're a little bit more comfortable to wear. And I thought for the summer, they might not feel as oppressive. So this is 4 little lipsticks. I think some of these will probably be going to my friend when she comes to visit me, because not all of them are shades that I love. This one is in Soft Pink. Soft Pink is right there. It's very pretty. I will definitely wear that one. And then we have Kiss, and Kiss is a gorgeous nude. I have to try them on my lips and see with my pigmentation of my lips how they look, because that one's a little bit more peachy. This one I think is probably going to go to her because it's a little bit more orange, yellow undertones, which I don't do. That's right there. And this one is in Spice. Again, I've got to try them on my lips and see. And then this one is in Dead Roses. Dead Roses is a gorgeous mauve-y shade. It definitely isn't coming off on camera the way that it does in real life. Sorry guys, I had to delete some old footage or else my memory card was not going to have it. So these are the 4 shades. I really love this one and I like the first 2. This third one I'm not so sure about. But like I said, I'm going to try them on the lips and then I will probably pass whatever doesn't work on to a friend that is coming to visit me in late May, early June. I also got the Sephora Favorites selfie kit because I'm a sucker for kits, guys. I just really am. The box is really cute. It opens up really nicely. Let's see what we have. We have an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Ashton. Another one that I'm not sure about the color. I'm going to have to try it on and see what I think about the formula and the code. Nope, this is going to Chelsea. I don't even need to try it on my lips. This is what it looks like, and it's brown. That is a brown. Like, these 2 I can do. This one I can do, but these 2 are going to Chelsea. There's no way I'm wearing that lipstick. Okay, I got a Marc Jacobs mascara sample. This one is in Velvet Noir Major Volume. So another mascara sample, not mad at it. I also got the Glow number 2 from Stellar Beauty. I don't know if this is actually a setting powder or if it's an illuminator, and I don't really want to open it. Do I want to open it? I just picked it up because like I feel like these sample sets are such a great price for so much different stuff. Oh my god. It's not an illuminator. It is a setting powder and it feels like a baby's butt. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. Oh, I'm going to love using that. Okay. Wow, I'm really impressed with that. I got another of the Becca Opal and I might give this to a friend as well because I have 2 already that are backups. They're great. It comes with a great little mirror. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I think it looks amazing on so many different skin tones, but I have 2 of these already and they take a while to go through, and I have a ton of other highlighters, so I might gift this with the lipstick to a friend. And then I have this Tartist. This is a pencil eyeliner on this side in black, and then on the other side it is a liquid brush eyeliner, great for travel. Figured I would do that, and this is the full size, like this is the way that product comes. And then I got a mini of the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and I've heard really mixed things about this, and I don't know how I feel about it because I haven't tried it yet. So it's got a little cap on there. This is a decent sample size of the Milk Blurring Stick. So this is 0.2 ounces, 6 grams of the blur stick. So we'll see how I feel about that. But that's what I got, guys. That's my haul so far for the year. Not too much stuff, probably more than I needed, because again, I don't really need anything, but I'm really happy with what I got, so I'm not going to complain. So if you liked this haul, you're probably not going to get too many of them, guys. You really aren't. But if you liked what I got, or if you have any opinions or thoughts on what I got, or how to best use what I got, definitely let me know down below. You guys know I'm interested in hearing what you have to say. And if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.